Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set your Honda Civic radio code. First, locate your unique 5-digit radio code. Many owners find this code on a sticker inside the glove box or on a card within the owner's manual. If you can't find it there, you can often retrieve it online using your vehicle identification number and the radio's serial number. This code is essential for restoring your radio's function. To get your radio's serial number, turn your ignition to the accessory position. Then, press and hold radio preset buttons 1 and 6 simultaneously. While holding these buttons, turn the radio on. The radio's unique serial number, which is usually 8 digits long, will then appear on the display screen. Write this number down carefully, as you'll need it for online retrieval. Once you have your 5-digit radio code, it's time to enter it. Turn on your radio. The display should show code. Use the radio preset buttons to input each digit of your code. For example, press preset button 1 for the first digit, button 2 for the second, and continue until all 5 digits are entered. The radio will automatically unlock and begin playing once the correct code is recognized. If your radio doesn't unlock after entering the code, double-check that you have the correct 5-digit sequence. Sometimes, a simple battery disconnect for about 10 minutes can reset the system, allowing you to try again. If issues persist, it's best to contact a Honda dealership. They can help verify your vehicle identification number and radio serial number to ensure you get the right code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.